Transform your Squarespace website into an email capturing powerhouse using ConvertKit with this step-by-step guide to creating a high-converting lead magnet page. First, we need to set up our Squarespace page, navigate to Pages, and create a new page. We'll call this our lead magnet page. Ensure it's set to Not Linked in your main navigation, so it's discoverable by direct link only. Now let's add the core elements. Click Add Block and select Text. This will be for your compelling headline. Make it benefit-driven and clear about what the visitor will receive. Below your headline, add another text block for your descriptive copy here. You'll expand on the value of your lead magnet, highlighting the problems it solves and the benefits it offers. Keep it concise and persuasive. Visual appeal is key. Add an image block to showcase your lead magnet, whether it's an ebook cover, a checklist mock-up, or a graphic representing your freebie. This makes your offer tangible. Time to integrate ConvertKit. Log into your ConvertKit account and navigate to the Forms section. Click Create Form and choose a simple, inline style. We want the focus to be on the sign-up, not distractions. Customize your ConvertKit form. Remove any unnecessary fields for a lead magnet. An email address is usually sufficient. Craft a clear call to action for your submit button. Something like, "Get my freebie now," or "Unlock instant access." Back in Squarespace, add an embed block where you want your form to appear. Typically below your descriptive text and image, paste the embed code provided by ConvertKit into this block. Squarespace will automatically render the form. Now for the crucial part, your call to action and form optimization. Refine your headline and subtext to create urgency and highlight the immediate benefit. Ensure your ConvertKit forms submit button aligns perfectly with the promise you've made. In ConvertKit, set up an incentive email to deliver your lead magnet instantly upon sign-up. This confirms their subscription and provides immediate value, creating a positive first impression. Finally, test your page thoroughly. Fill out the form yourself to ensure the email is delivered and the thank you page, if you've set one up in ConvertKit, appears correctly. Congratulations! You've just built a lead capturing machine on Squarespace with ConvertKit.